This is a loofah. Actually, technically, it's not a loofah. It's like a shower body puff, but loofah sounds a little cooler. And it's something that not only your girl uses, but you should be using as well. The reason is because this is the way that body wash is supposed to be used. You apply it to the loofah, and it actually starts to foam up. All these little nooks and crannies activate the body wash. The other upside to using a loofah, or body puff, whatever you want to call it, is that it will actually scrub your body, as opposed to putting body wash on your hands or a bar of soap, which who uses soap anymore, and just rub, right? You got to make sure that you're exfoliating, you're cleaning your body, and this bad boy is the only way you're going to do it. The Pete and Pedro Loofah is an amazingly high quality loofah. Every single one of you should be using a loofah, aka body puff, in the shower, period. Because if you're not, you're truly not removing the dead skin, and you're not getting as clean as you should. This is perfect for scrubbing your body, scrubbing other things, scrubbing this, a little bit of that. This is something every guy should be using. Not to mention, our loofah body puff is gray, right? It's a little more badass than that pink flowery crap your girl's using. It's black, which means it's tough.